Welcome to the channel. Today we've got a brand new e-bike for me and to the market as of 2022. One that I picked up for my wife because, as you can see, I've got one over here that I've been using now for over 18 months and love it. And we're going to unbox this one and assemble it and see what we think. Stay tuned. Here it is, the Vitilan i7. This one is in green. Yes, made in China. WTL i7. Let's looks packaged well. Box doesn't look damaged, and from FedEx. This thing took 6 days to get here, I think it was. Let's see, I ordered this Wednesday and today's Tuesday, so nothing wrong with that. Let's see what we can do. Solid staples around. Let's get those out. All right. Okay. So lots of foam. There's the handlebars. Adjustable bars. All right, got you guys a little closer there. Don't have to hold my phone as we unbox it. Okay, there's the seat. I apologize for the lawnmower as well. He decided to come out as soon as he saw me pull the camera out, so that's nice, right? But it is what it is. I'm too excited to wait. Can't wait for my wife to find this. This is for my wife, by the way, and she doesn't even know about it. So I think we got the pedals and stuff in here. Okay. This must be the charger, probably. Yep. That's not bad at all. Wow. It's not as heavy as I thought. Let's see, there should be a prop, yeah, right there. Okay. Looks like the chain came off. That'll be easy to put on. There it is. Let me get the rest of this foam material off. Put the chain on and we'll unfold it. Nice. Put the chain back on it. Okay, let's get all these off of here. That's good. There we go. Very well cushioned here with hydraulic brakes. Nice. Lots of padding. Let's see here. Got a locking mechanism right here. All right. Put the kickstand down. All right, now we're going to put the handlebars on, and right here, this flat side goes right there on the flat side, and just like that. This locks up into place. Alright, looks like our light came undone. Put that back in. Alright, cool. There it is. Okay, now just the seat. I did order a comfort seat from Vitilan for this, the bigger one, but it didn't come in. I think it had to ship out later, so for now we'll just use the stock seat. Alright. There she goes. Line that up and tighten her down. There it is. Wow. Got to put the pedals on and charge the battery and she'll be ready to go. Alright, here's what was in the box. We got our pedals, left and right, marked accordingly. Got to put those on. Looks like they give you a small toolkit and the bike book, operating and maintenance manual. It's a pretty thick manual here. Might be in different languages though. No, it's all English, so we'll have to go through that. Here are the specifications for the Vitilan i7. Hopefully you can see that there, just describing some of the functions and features. Here's what comes in the toolkit. Some wrenches and Allen wrenches. Okay. And flathead, Phillips head screwdriver. So there you go. That's what comes in the toolkit for the bike. Better than nothing. We got the pedals and they're marked left and right accordingly. Thanks for marking them, and we'll put those on. We got those pedals on. Should be good to go now. There it is, the Vitilan i7. A folding e-bike. Got this for my wife. As you can see, I have the Cycle Power Sports now for almost 2 years. I really love it. Decided to get her one now. Went with this one because several features. It's got dual suspension, front adjustable forks, and then it's got the rear suspension here, very similar to my Cycle suspension. Also, it has hydraulic brakes, which on the price point you don't always find. It's got the 8-speed Shimano shifter, LCD display, Shimano Altus derailleur. It's got the rack that came with it and the front and rear fenders that came with it stock. That was a plus, definitely. Front and rear disc brakes, 180 millimeter. It also came with the headlights and the rear tail light that are functional. 20 by 4-inch tires. I like those mag wheels. It looks pretty sharp. There's that front fender. So the battery's inside here. So you do have to unfold it to take it out. Adjustable seat. Like I said, I have the wide comfort seat coming. Throttle is different on this bike. So the throttle is right here with your thumb. This does have that leather handles, but I like this one because you'll see here and here it won't rotate. It doesn't allow it to move or come out. The ones on my Cycle bike, they tend to move around in the heat. So the bell, that's kind of cheesy. Probably take that off. Controller for the LCD. Key right here has to go in underneath. Right here, turn it on. Really excited for my wife to see this and ride it. So I'm gonna charge it and we'll go from there. All right, that's it. Unboxing, assembly of the Vitilan i7. Stay tuned for more videos riding it. All right, thank you for watching. Have a good day.